So in the last video, we painted the knuckles. I had to clean up the machine surfaces on them. I got both sets of knuckles done, which is awesome. So now I gotta go and take bushings and ball joints out of the arms and the rear differential mounts. So this right here is part of the rear diff mount. This is called a mustache bar. It has bushings right here and the diff mounts right here. A lot of people will delete this because it's pretty heavy, but I don't want to drill into the subframe. So we're gonna clean this up and change the bushings. These two things right here are the side mounts. I already pushed the bushing out of this one, mainly because I wanted to test out the new bushing tool. So we're gonna have to push this bushing out. And then these are also going to get sanded down and painted like the knuckles. I actually bought this kit from Amazon. It's pretty trick. So this kit is called a manual bushing pusher. I got it from Amazon. It was like 120 bucks or something like that. So basically this threaded rod goes in through the bushing like that. And then you use one of these cups on one side and then a smaller cup to push it through. So I'm gonna go and take this mount over to the vise and start pushing this bushing out. I finally got this thing to come out. I did have to burn the rubber off and notch the metal sleeve, but I was able to use the bigger threaded rod to get the rest of the sleeve out. So I'm gonna take this apart and I'm going to start prepping all these arms and we can paint it. So I cleaned the arms up, planned on painting them, and it's supposed to be silver, and they're this color. I'm not really sure what happened, but I hate it. So I'm gonna scuff them up and recoat them, and hopefully we get a better color. Got the arms painted. They look brand new, like they're from Mitsubishi. I'm gonna go ahead and push bushings into them. On the upper control arm, I'm actually just gonna keep the factory bushings, mainly because this side has this bracket and it's molded to this factory bushing, and it's not molded in the white line bushing. And I read somewhere on EvoM that it's molded to actually keep suspension travel. So I'm not gonna bother replacing that. There's not much rubber in these. It's very, I don't know if that'll focus, but it's a tiny amount of rubber. So I'm not gonna worry about these bushings, but I am gonna put ball joints back in it, and same with the trailing arms. So we're gonna go to the bench and go ahead and do that. Okay, so the suspension is all done, new bushings, new ball joints. I went ahead and painted them all so that they're fresh when they go back on the chassis. The hardware's at zinc, so I gotta wait for that to come back. But while I do that, I'm actually gonna go ahead and start prepping the undercarriage of this car. That way I can paint it. I already power washed it and scrubbed it with Dawn to get the road grime off, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, get under there and start scuffing. Oh, watch your head, sorry. Hi, did I get you? Yeah. You okay? Hi, Kellen. Be careful, don't, watch your head. Okay. Watch your head. Watch your big head. I did. Okay, just making sure. Oh my God, what a process. Everything is painted, at least the rear suspension and the chassis. But I'm gonna wrap it up right here because the garage is a mess. I'm a mess. My hands are a mess. And I need a break. So I hope I see you on the next one. On the next one, we're gonna put the car back together suspension-wise because the car has to go to paint. Until then, go work on something. I'll see you next time. Peace.